Hi, my name's Carol Smith from North East Counselling Services, and one of the questions I get asked quite a lot is, why should my manager care about my mental health? When I go out to visit companies, etc., staff say that all the time. And there's lots of information now about it, and what I want to do is make an economic case as to why managers should care about the mental well-being of their staff. First of all, did you know there's about 15.4 million working days lost to work-related stress, depression or anxiety? That was the figure in 2017-18. And if you look at all absence, days lost due to stress, anxiety and depression were 57% of all absences, and it costs companies about £8 billion a year. Now, when you think that not everybody who's off work with stress stays off work, everybody who has stress stays off work, people come into work, and because of things like not being able to concentrate, thinking about other things, that kind of stuff, presenteeism, which is what it's called, costs companies £15.1 billion a year. That amounts to £1,035 per employee per year. Huge. And a survey from the CIPD said that 86% of HR professionals have observed presenteeism in their organisation, and 25% say it had increased in the last 12 months. Well, that was in 2018. With the events of 2020, I'm guessing that's going to be higher. Now you can start to see why anybody who's experiencing mental health problems is going to have an impact on the productivity of the workplace that they're in and the harmony of the workplace they're in. As I mentioned, there's lots of evidence. You should be able to click on these different areas and find evidence for yourself. People have been doing lots of research into it, so you can have a look and see what's the case within your industry, etc. And what I would like to point out is how we can help you. We've got some free resources online. We've got some free how-to guides about how to calm your breathing, how to reduce your anxiety, maybe create a self-soothing kit when you're anxious. We've also got some webinars which can be accessed online free of charge. And we do some free live webinars. It lasts about 50 minutes. We talk about improving your mental well-being, and we talk to managers about how they can spot if people have got problems. We can also do on-site presentations if you've got some specific topics and you want me to come in, happy to do that. And the last thing we can offer is quick access to counselling. Generally, people come to see us within 7 days of first registering. And we're working with a number of companies now where either they're paying for their staff to come for support, or more commonly, if they can't afford to pay for staff counselling, they're paying up front and then the staff members paying back on a salary sacrifice scheme. It means that they can get access to the counselling they need when they need it, and then they don't have to pay it back straight away. On average, it costs about £300 to offer 6 sessions of counselling to a staff member. Actually, what we find is people come for between 4 and 6 sessions, and they work out at £50 each. The other great thing about us, we can offer support to either adults or couples. So if your staff member is having problems in their relationship and it's impacting on their work, we can offer couples and individual therapy at the same price. And if your staff member is having problems with their child or young people in their lives, we can offer counselling to them quickly too. We're offering counselling either face-to-face in the Gateshead and Newcastle area, or online via Zoom and telephone across the country. So if you'd like to get in touch, visit our website for some more information.